All right, today I'm going to cover the age-old debate of should you join a team or go solo as a brand new realtor. I myself was on a team for almost 2 years, doing roughly 40 to 60 transactions a year. And by the end of this video, you should know exactly which way you want to go. I'm that agent Kelly. I help realtors attract more clients via social media. If you're into that, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video to help me out. And for more information on how you can do this, subscribe to the viral letter using the link below. Everybody has their opinions on whether or not you should join a team. Some say, don't join a team. Why would you give up 50% of your commission? Complete waste of money, etc. And others say you need to join a team. You absolutely have to join a team. You should never not join a team. And in my opinion, I personally think it's a case-by-case basis based on who you are, where you excel, and what your past experiences in life have been. So first off, I'm going to tell you exactly why I joined a team and why I decided to stay there even though I was already doing a decent amount of volume. The team that I joined had a videographer, they had 3 admins, a marketing girl, they had paid leads, they paid for all my marketing expenses, like all my listings, and whatever I wanted, everything was taken care of. I didn't have to set up any systems or do anything. And it was to the point where I genuinely don't think I would have actually made more money by keeping 100% of my commissions at that current time. Because for starters, even though I was doing all these deals, I didn't actually have any cash flow because all the deals, like roughly 80% of them, were new construction deals, meaning I wasn't getting paid for those deals for 1.5 years up to 4 years. So I was realistically only getting paid for the maybe 1 to 2 resale deals that I was doing every year, like homes that are actually existing, built right now that close within 3 months. I was doing 1 to 2 of those a month. It ended up being around like $100,000 a year, but everything else was pre-construction, new construction, whatever terminology you want to use, that I wasn't getting paid for multiple years. So even though I was doing all this volume, I had no cash flow. But secondly, the team structure allowed me to stay on the aggressive. I didn't have to take a step back to hire an admin, take on that expense, train the admin on how to do their job. I didn't have to, find a videographer, pay $3,000 a month for that, possibly train the videographer on, how they can do their job better. And I would have been hesitant to take on new listings knowing that, I would have had to fork up the bill if those homes never sold. So it just allowed me to be completely aggressive and focus on doing deals as opposed to setting up systems and all this other stuff. So now that you understand why I joined a team, in retrospection, there are basically 4 different options that I see for agents today. So there is solo, there's team, there's a hybrid option, and then there's a mentor option. That's your 4 options. Starting with the solo option. Pretty self-explanatory, right? You keep 100% of your commission. You watch YouTube videos like this for free. Maybe you pay a coach $10,000 for the year, or maybe you just fall flat on your face 500 times over the first 2 years until you get things right, but you get to keep 100% of your commission, right? Team option. Now, every team isn't the same. I would interview a bunch of them to see whatever structure works best for you. I went with one that had a videographer because I knew that I was going to be heavily video focused. But if you know you're not the type of person to shoot videos, then maybe join a team that just does like a shitload of paid leads and just sit there and call leads all day. Maybe they do a bunch of door knocking, go do some door knocking. You pick the one that works best for you. I didn't even use the paid leads that my team gave me. I didn't use half the stuff they gave me, but I highly leveraged the videographer, built my brand, built this, built that, all while doing it on somebody else's dime, essentially. And at the end of this video, there's really only 2, and the way I see it, there's really only 2 reasons why you would join a team, which I will go over at the end of this video. Number 3, you have the hybrid option, which is go solo, but you join a brokerage like a Real or 𝐎𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐑. Because the person who brings you over to the brokerage, your sponsor, gets a small cut of your commission, they are incentivized to help you do better and sell more homes. So for example, at my brokerage, Real, we have masterminds every week. Everyone's available by phone. You can call anybody in your network and they're more than happy to help you do whatever they can to help you excel in your business. The brokerage itself has a whole, they call it Real Academy, that has thousands upon thousands of trainings, and all of these trainings are put on by agents who are making like $500,000 plus per year. 𝐎𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐒, very similar. Whatever sponsor you go with, they can help you in your business. They can provide you training. They can do masterminds, whatever, expertise that sponsor has, they can likely pass down a lot of that knowledge to you, and you keep 100% of your commissions other than the fees you pay to the brokerage. So you could go solo, but then leverage people in your network to find out what you need to find out and sell more homes. And then the mentor option, another good option. You could find somebody who's willing to mentor you, say for the first 3 to 5 deals, who will take a 50% cut of your first couple deals. They will be available by phone. They can coach you through the deal. They can review your contracts. They can help you negotiate. They might even come with you to your listing appointments and help you sign those listings. And after those first 3 to 5 deals, you go back to being a solo agent. All of these options are good options. However, why would you go with a team when you could just go with the hybrid option or the mentor option? The team is the only one of these models that will actually provide you with financial support. They will pay for your marketing. They will provide you the videographer, and they also provide you the systems with the admin and all of these things so you can just focus on getting clients, selling homes. You don't need to focus on anything else. That's it. And a lot of the time, the best mentors out there already run teams. For the most part, if you want to be mentored by somebody who doesn't run a team, they more than likely already don't have time to mentor you, or probably don't even want to have time to mentor you. They just want to spend the time that they would helping you get your first 3 deals selling more real estate for themselves, which is completely makes sense, right? Like, why would somebody like that invest all of their time into you so you hopefully sell homes so they can only get a 50% cut when they can just focus on selling more homes themselves? Because it takes a special kind of person to actually want to mentor somebody and actually help them and choose to run a team. That is a very special skill set. Just because you know how to sell a lot of homes doesn't mean you're going to know how to teach somebody to sell a lot of homes. And for this reason, a lot of the times a team is actually a more viable option, because most of the people out there who are good at mentorship, who are good at teaching and training, will already be running teams. So anyways, if this helped, please help me out now by subscribing, liking the video. For more content like this in a written format, subscribe to the viral letter. Appreciate you guys. I'm that Agent Kelly. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.